Howdy folks, it's Brian for SpookYouLaterz. Alright, I told you I'd give you guys an update on my good guy doll, aka Chucky, whatever y'all want to call him. Corky Doll, because it was a Corky Doll, we remade him. But do you know where Chucky's holding right there? Does anybody know what that is? Yep, that's my cassette player that just arrived today. That's right, needed to purchase that to create an audio aspect for our good guy doll, aka Chucky, or whatever. But yep, this is a cassette tape, folks, and I had a lot of them sitting in boxes. They had some old rock and roll music and stuff like that, and actually this is an old demo tape and some band practice and things like that. So now I can listen to it because I haven't been able to listen to it. But that's not what we're here for. Just want to show you that it's a CD, or not a CD, a cassette tape. It went to CDs. But I recorded audio. This came in. This is really nice. I got it for like 20 bucks, something like that, on Amazon. Does the job. Really smooth. So if you got cassette tapes and things like that, there you go. But let's just keep on trucking. I made some audio here for my dear little friend. Y'all ready to listen to this? Check it out. Got some Chucky sounds. And he should move his mouth and everything to it.
Talk to me. Talk to me. I said talk to me, dang it. Oh, shoot. For all things Halloween. This is Hot Former, and everyone, happy Valentine's Day. That was kind of awkward. My friends call me Chucky. I'm one of the most notorious slashers in history.
Hi, I'm Chucky. I'm Chucky. Hey, wanna play? Wanna play? I like to hug. I like to hug. I'm Tommy, and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi ho, Heidi ho, ha ha ha.
What's your name, buddy? Chucky. Ugly doll. Fuck you. Don't fuck with the Chuck. Live before I kick your fucking teeth in. You're a fucking natural. You're a fucking drag. No fucking way. Time to pull the fucking plug. Did you fuck with me? Don't fuck with me. Fuck with your mind. Fuck with your mind. I'm fucking infamous. I'm fucking trapped in here. You mean I have to live out the rest of my life in this body? If I don't get out of this body soon, I'm screwed. I gotta get out of this goddamn body. I really gotta get out of this body. Get out of this body once and for all. If I don't get out of this body soon, I'll be trapped in here. What are you looking at? I would rather take my chances as a supernaturally possessed doll. It's less complicated. What the hell? Ow, what the hell? I need the exercise. Bad. I am anatomically correct, you know. Yours, assholes! Hi, soldier. Have I got a rubber? Tiff, I'm all rubber. It's a long story. If it was a movie, it would take 3 or 4 sequels just to do it justice. I'll be back. I always come back. But dying is such a bitch. You are my buddy until the end. More than a buddy. You're my best friend. Right. Hi. Hi, Maggie.
Alright, so I thought I'd share that with you guys. Like I said, man, these things is what we listened to back in the days, old cassette. And you guys don't know the struggles it is to have a cassette, man. Just imagine you bought a brand new CD, right? Well, they're pretty expensive, but back in the day, these things were like maybe brand new cassettes, albums, as you could say, were like probably $8 to $10, And just imagine if you put this bad boy, brand new, some band that you like, into this bad boy right here, and it ate it up, because that happened a lot. So you have no clue what the struggle is having these. So MP3 players and all that is the way to go. All right, so hopefully you guys like this video. This is Brian from SpookYouLaterz. Got lots of other fun things coming up. I got a 2021 Spooky Doll video coming up. It's Spooky Bear. I gotta kind of modify it a little bit, but yep, that's coming. And I got another haunted doll. It's been here for about a week now, and trust me, there's some creepy stories I have yet to tell you. But that video and unboxing will be coming real soon. Hang tight, stay spooky, my friends, and I'll see you soon.